Configuring your own account into the Omnistrate platform is very simple. Once you log in, you can navigate to account configs. You will probably see an empty table. You will click on account configuration instructions, which contains a code that you will paste and forget about it for a bit. Now, as you can see, we also link our account setup repository, which is public on GitHub, and you need to navigate on that repo. Let's see you in a second. Here we are on the repo. In order to configure your account, you have to run some good old Terraform scripts. We provided you with now AWS and GCP. Azure is coming soon. And you will need to follow the instructions based on your preferred cloud provider. But basically what you do is clone the repository. Well, of course, you have to have access to your cloud provider of choice. Run Terraform in it. You basically have to provide the variable tfvar account config and entity ID with the suffix we just copied from the platform and run Terraform apply. Very simple. And here we are. Once you've done that, you can just create the account config. Of course, you have to use your AWS account ID. Now, in this case, I'm using an example one. You will see the account is being verified. And when the account is verified, you're good to go. Now, let's see how it looks like to deploy on your own account. Okay, once the account is ready, now you can just build your SaaS. Let's choose a certified template to make it simple. MySQL, sample. Let's not put any logo. Build service definition. Then you're asked to select your preferred hosting model. Now, this is the default choice. So your provider account, the one that you just configured. We configured one for AWS and one for GCP. And we can build the service definition. In this way, everything you deploy lies within your own account. Easy, right?